I'm not surprised to see fields such as artificial intelligence and data science are becoming more important every day. Through the years, my main focus was to develop intelligent solutions. The purpose is to solve problems in domains such as biology, healthcare, and education. One of our key healthcare-related projects deals with the diagnostics of dementia from structural and functional markers of brain atrophy. In this case, we use deep learning.
The worldwide population faces the problem of aging and age-related diseases. For example, here in the UAE, the life expectancy increased by 4 years during the last 20 years. By learning the age-related changes specific in the brain, shrinkage in brain regions, we intend to contribute to diagnostics of dementia-related diseases, specifically Alzheimer's disease. We believe that machine learning and deep learning techniques will contribute to improvement of the diagnostics of neurodegenerative diseases and try to identify their patterns at the very early stages.
Recently, we started to apply advanced machine learning techniques to address issues related to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We developed a solution to address issues related to housing affordability in Abu Dhabi. We understand that improving housing affordability is one of the most important targets of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. That goal, number 11. While many countries, including the UAE, are making progress in establishing new and innovative urban policies, there is still a need for paradigm shift in thinking and in practice in housing policy, a shift that can only be achieved by leveraging the power of data science and AI. Recently, we developed a solution which integrated several datasets from heterogeneous sources, including GIS, facilities, crime rate, and so forth. We performed serious pre-processing, including handling missing entries of the data automatic translation, especially from Arabic to English. We employed state-of-the-art machine learning techniques for prediction, identification of factors affecting housing affordability. And also we use advanced and sensible visualization tools for better decision making. This project was among the winners in the recent Open Data Adathon organized by the Abu Dhabi Digital Authority. We also applied AI in the educational field. We managed to show that AI can help to fill the needs and the gaps in teaching and learning. We believe AI can allow educators to do more than ever before.
One of the projects that we are working on is developing AI-based solution to identify students at risk of low performance or failure and within as early as possible, and provide them the appropriate remedial actions. So why it's important is because most of the educational institutions are facing issues or challenges such as increasing the rates of the student dropout, academic unachievement, and graduation delays. And one way to tackle these challenges is by building or developing a machine learning based solution that can identify students at risk of low performance during the early stages of the learning process. Of course, this will help us to provide them appropriate intervention as early as possible. Of course, there are many AI and machine learning solutions existing, but here we are focusing on making the intelligent solution is more explainable, so this will, of course, provide a better decision making.
I'm very fortunate to be one of the researchers working on the field of artificial intelligence, and I'm looking forward to contribute to the vision of the UAE in improving the quality of life through AI research and development.